Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is M. Paki, NPM 2341106A, plus MNJ 23A. Thank you for joining this YouTube channel video. We will discuss what are basic concept, meaning, and leadership model. The first basic concept of leadership. Leadership is a fundamental element in various aspects of life, including organization, government, and social settings. In general, leadership is defined as the ability of an individual to influence, direct, and with a group or individual to achieve a specific goals. Characteristic of effective leadership: clear vision. Leadership must have a long-term perspective and be able to set the direction of an organization or group. 2. Effective communication. The ability to convey ideas, give instruction, and listen to input from team member. 3. Which is first, the ability to make the right decision based on thorough analysis. 4. Integrity and ethics. A good leader upholds moral value and honesty. 5. Motivational skill. The ability to inspire and encourage a team member to perform. In simple terms, leadership is the art of leading and directing a group of people to a goal in an effective and harmonious way. Next, the meaning. The meaning of leadership. The meaning of leadership is not just about position or authority, but also about how an individual can positively impact others. Leadership has broader dimensions, including social responsibility, the ability to manage change, and influence over organizational culture. Dimension of leadership. The first, leadership as a social process. Leadership occurs not only in organizations but also is in everyday social life. A good leader must understand social dynamic and collaborate with various parts. 2. Leadership as an art and science. As an art, leadership requires creativity, intuition, and interpersonal skill. As an science, leadership requires an understanding of theories, strategies, and to manage group or organizations. 3. Leadership as influence. An effective leader does not merely give order, but also inspire and guides their members to reach their full potential. The meaning of leadership in daily life is broad, from a teacher guiding students, a CEO leading a company, to a community leader driving social change. 3. Leadership models. Over time, various leadership models have been developed to understand how leaders carry out their roles. Here are some of the main leadership models. A. Authoritative leadership. The leader has full control over decision making without much involvement from team member. Effective in situations that require decisiveness and speed, such as crisis. However, this model can limit creativity and innovation within the example, a military leader will control operation with strict and instruction. B. Democratic leadership. The leader involves team members in decision making, encourage active participation, and provides room for innovation. Increases team loyalty and motivation because every member feels. However, in situations that require quick decision, this model may be efficient. Example, a CEO who invites the management team to discuss and company strategies together. C. Transformational leadership. The leader acts as an inspiration and change agent, motivating the team to grow and achieve higher goals, builds an innovative culture, and improve team productivity. Requires a strong personality and understanding communication skill. Example, Steve Jobs, who brought significant change to the technology industry through his visionary leadership at Apple. D. Transactional leadership focuses on a reward and punishment system as a motivational tool, effective in environment to require clear structure and operation efficiency. However, it is less flexible and does not always ensure innovation. Example, a manager will provide bonuses to employees who meet targets. A. Laissez-faire leadership. The leader gives a full freedom to team members to make decisions and carry out their tasks independently, suitable from teams that are already experienced and highly skilled. However, I admit to an inexperienced team, it can lead to a lot of direction and motivation. Example, a leader in a stage who give full autonomy to their development team to create innovation without much intervention. F. Situation leadership. A flexible leadership model where the leader adapts their leadership style to condition and reduction level of the team. Balance between directional and supportive approaches depending on the example. A project manager who changes their leadership approach based expression and competency level of their team. 4. Challenge in leadership. In practice, a leader will face various challenges including the first, managing change. A leader must be able to adapt to rapid change, whether in technology, economy, or work culture. 2. Maintaining team motivation. Building and sustaining team spirit to remain productive. 3. Conflict resolution. Handling disagreements within the team fairly and constructively. 4. Making complex decisions. Analyzing multiple aspects before making the decision. Consolation. Leadership is a key element in the success of an organization or group. An effective leadership must have an vision, strong communication skill, and flexibility in facing challenges. For use, leadership model can be applied depending on the situation and team characteristics. Therefore, a leader must be able to adjust their approach to make impact and achieve shared goals optimally. Inspiration quotes: leadership is not about little position but about influence, inspiration, and to drive people toward a better direction. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope this session has given you valuable insight into the basic concept, meaning, and leadership model. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.